Hey, Forex baddies, Ladybug FX here. And so today I'm going to show you how to place the Fibonacci tool on a bullish trend. So let's get to it. All right, so we're going to take our cursor, we're going to move up here in this area, and we're going to select the Fibonacci retracement. All right, we're going to take it from the lowest point here. So we see we have our support here. We're going to take it from the lowest point all the way to the highest point and pull that bad boy over, all right? And we're going to lock it so it will not move. And so we see that we were in an uptrend, okay? Higher highs, higher lows, all right? And so with this higher low here, all right, which is our retracement area, we see that price move downward to the area 0.5 and 0.618. So it did reach this area here. All right. And so what we're waiting for is a bullish engulfing candle or some type of reversal candle so that we will know to enter the market here, showing that the bullish trend will continue. All right. So we have placed the Fibonacci tool on our charts. So what's next? Keep watching and see. Yeah. So this is here on our YouTube page at Ladybug FX, most definitely Forex Baddies, and check us out on our website at ladybugfx.com or forexbaddies.com. See you soon. Bye.